What's going on, my Winjas? This is Maya, and today we are talking about gym equipment. Specifically, pieces that you can pick up for your home to turn it into a gains sanctuary, because I am a huge fan of home workouts. So I'm gonna fill you in on all the pieces that I absolutely love, that I paid for myself and use almost every single day. And I'm gonna teach you the little tricks on how to save money, how to set up and create a freaking fantastic functional gym using versatile equipment that you can use in multiple different ways and not requiring that much space. Okay? Cue intro. Here we go. The thing to remember when you're buying equipment for your home is don't rush it. Don't feel like you gotta buy everything at once. I started working out at home 10 years ago, and the majority of my training, even now, even though I have access to as many gyms as I want, I prefer to work out at home. Why? Because it's so freaking easy. I don't need to drive, I don't need to get distracted or worry about packing a gym bag. I can just wake up, come downstairs, bada bing, bada boom, gains. Biceps just grew just thinking about doing bicep curls, right? So it's a really great way to start a lifestyle habit of working out every day, of working out regularly, when you can have little pieces at home. And you guys know you don't even need any equipment at all. Most of the stuff I love to teach is just being able to use your own body in calisthenics training, in body weight training, in animal flow. But sometimes as you get stronger, I do love challenging myself and progressively overloading my muscles and challenging my strength and gaining more strength, more muscles by adding load with different pieces of equipment. So take your time, go to the secondhand Craigslist. I bought all my weights, dumbbells, secondhand. We have a garage and we got a squat rack for like $1. Okay, not $1, but I bought a squat rack because people have equipment that they don't use that just collect dust, and you can capitalize on their laziness, all right? So go check out those secondhand avenues first before you even buy any new equipment. If you're only gonna buy one thing, I would recommend buying a damn ball. Love using balls. Love saying balls, love anything to do with balls in my training. Why? Because balls always makes me giggle for some reason, but it is so versatile. This one piece of equipment will help you move and train in all the 6 major movement patterns that I love teaching about, right? So, boom, I've got a squat. So I've just added load to my squat. I got a hinge. So now I can deadlift with the ball. Boom, I can deadlift, squat, and press all at the same time using one piece of equipment. So this thing probably costs about $30, and I just have a whole gym in one. You can also rotate with it, right? So when you can find equipment that you can use in multiple different ways, that's how you win. That's how you become full-on WINJA training dojo in your own home. And check this out. I can use my ball to do core stuff, ab stuff. I can use my ball to train stability. So right now I'm squeezing the crap out of this ball, training my inner thigh muscles, as well as my core strength and stability muscles and abs as I continue to train my legs. So you cannot go wrong with a ball. And check this out. You can even put your leg on it and do hamstring curls, training the posterior side of your body. And even here, you could do shoulder presses with it and make it dynamic. And not just that, I love using balls. I love using balls for slamming, right? You're getting pissed off at the husband, at the wife, you come home, you freaking smash some balls literally. So I'm not gonna do it today, but get yourself some balls, okay? From balls, we're gonna go to bands. So get these bands off Amazon. You can get a whole pack of various thicknesses, and it is so cheap, and I love traveling with these. So not only are you gonna hook up your home gym, you're gonna be able to have a travel gym on the road. Now with the thick band, you are gonna love using this for assisted pull-ups. Plus you can use them for deadlifts and leg exercises as well. So when I step on it, Now I've basically got a barbell that I can deadlift with, right? So versatile. Watch this, I can put it around my neck and I can use it to squat with. So I've just created this insane amount of resistance. It's pulling me into the ground and I'm fighting and pushing against it, giving myself that progressive overload that sometimes just a body weight squat cannot give me. So get yourself some bands. You're gonna be able to do so many things with it, such as flexibility work, mobility work, strength training, pulling exercises, helping with shoulder mobility, smacking people with it, all types of things. Bands, I am a huge fan of bands. You also want to get some little bands. So we call this little booty bands. Girls seem to like calling it that. I call it a hip circle band. So if you have weak ass glutes where you can't feel your butt when you're training, get one of these that are super tight and it's gonna help you activate the glutes, engaging those muscles, thereby growing it and strengthening it. So when you have this is called the hip circle. When you have a hip circle, you're gonna be able, it's challenging. You're gonna be able to train your lower body by adding load just right here without having excess barbells, dumbbells, anything like that. I take this thing everywhere. I put it in my backpack when I go to work. I put it in my travel gear. I take this baby everywhere because not only are you gonna be engaging and activating the glutes, you can train the glutes in all different ways. Laying on the side, doing the glute med, donkey kicks. Okay, girls, if you're doing donkey kicks without any weight, I really challenge you to get one of these bands and get weighted. Add load. It's really gonna engage those glute muscles and get you stronger, and you're gonna see your body changing so much faster when you start adding weight, okay? So, love these bands. They burn like crazy, man. The one piece of equipment that I was so excited to receive for Christmas one year were these Equalizer Bars from Liebert. So I never will really recommend that you buy anything for your home except using your own body, but man, I love these things because sometimes people have a hard time finding ways to do pulling exercises at home. And these guys, you're gonna be able to train inverted rows. You can do over 100 different body weight exercises with this. I love training rows. I love training dips. Can't get stronger than being able to dip your own body, roll your own body. You can train your abs, train L-sits. Damn, my quad just popped doing that. But so I used to put this up in my hallway when I wanted to level up my L-sit. And whenever I walked by it, I had to do an L-sit for like 10 seconds. And I got so much stronger just by doing that. And I think I need to get back into it. But get yourself one of these bars. I have a $40 off code for you in the link. And you can be able to train biceps. Do freaking chin-ups like that, your biceps are gonna explode, okay? I'm gonna do a video one day using just this bar, the equalizers, because there's so many different exercises that you can do that this video will go on way too long, but you can use it for hip flexor training, you can use it for all types of cardio stuff. I like to set it up as an obstacle course, crawl through it, jump over it. Crazy things with one piece of equipment. Let's get into kettlebells and dumbbells. You cannot go wrong with getting a lighter set of each one and a heavier set. So I love having just regular 15-pound dumbbells. You could do arm bars. Can I do arm bars with dumbbells? But have a lighter set to do upper body stuff, right? Have a heavier set, so you only need 2 pairs. Have a heavier set, and then you could do leg exercises. Woo! So you don't need a whole entire rack of dumbbells. To start, I totally recommend go heavy and then go light. And then just increase your reps for the lighter dumbbells and go until fatigue. And for the heavier dumbbells, you just do a little bit less and stick to the legs, right? Now for kettlebells, I only have 2 kettlebells, and it has been totally adequate. So I have a 24 kg one that I use for deadlifts and swings. So, boom, glutes, hamstrings, back, strength, cardio. So I love using the heavier ones for my heavy kettlebell swings. I use it for Romanian deadlifts. I use it for heavy ass lunges. Woo! And then I have my little guy that I try to practice my snatches on. So I use it for snatching. So I got a whole body workout. I'll use this guy for if I want to do high reps of swings and really challenge my cardiovascular system. But there you go. You only need, okay, break. You only need 2 sets. Kettlebells, dumbbells. Don't be, can't speak. Don't think that you need to buy the whole freaking gym, okay? Start with 2 pairs and go from there. Though it is certainly not necessary, there are so many free timers out there. I freaking love my Gym Boss timer. I have bought at least 5 now because I lose them or I give them away. But I love this for my interval training. Why? Because then I don't have to play with my phone. I put my phone away or I plug my phone into music, thereby getting less distracted, not checking emails, not checking social. A lot of you guys are in the freaking gym working out your thumbs because, oh, I'm gonna go into my phone and set my timer. No, you're not. You're gonna go check your Instagram, how many likes you got. Or you're gonna go follow Mya on Instagram. But I love this timer. I clip it onto my shirt, and then when it's go time, it's go time. 10 seconds, boom. Tabatas, timed intervals, all that stuff. Love this guy. All right, I'm gonna take you upstairs because there's one more piece that I cannot live without, and that's my doorway pull-up bar. Let's go. This costs $30, and I've had it now for probably 10 to 12 years, and it has significantly helped me get those damn pull-up goals. So what I did was I started using the pull-up bar as a cue to do a pull-up whenever I walk by it, because my goal was to be able to do 10 pull-ups, and that's what I did. I just did 1 pull-up whenever I walked by it, and boom, next thing you know, 10 years later, I can do 10 pull-ups in a row. So not only is it good for pull-up training, right? You can use the bar for ab work. So you can do toe to bar stuff, knee raise stuff, plus train your hanging muscles. Humans, we don't hang out enough, guys. But if you can just spend a minute a day hanging, you're gonna be training your grip strength. Grip strength is gonna make you healthier because you're gonna be able to carry all those damn grocery bags anywhere, open all the jars. It's so functional. Plus you're gonna be able to deadlift better, pull up better, do everything better, curl, pull. Everything starts in the grip strength. So when you have a doorway bar, you'll be able to hold on to your own weight, get strong here, plus decompress the spine. So as we go through our day, as we go through life, especially if you're a runner, a jumper, you train really intensely, you're causing a lot of impact and compression of the spinal column. So when you hang, you're reversing that effect and you're allowing your spine to decompress and basically segment itself. And thus you will feel better, relief, decrease back pain, decrease discomfort in the morning. Get yourself a damn pull-up bar and hang out all day long. Hang out as much as you can. There you have it. Those are my go-to pieces of equipment that I have at home that gives me Gainesville right in the comfort of my own home that didn't cost me much, and every single piece is versatile and can be used in multiple ways. So if you found this video helpful, please give me a like, subscribe, follow me on all the follow me on all the socials. Everything is under Move with Mya. I also made you a free PDF cheat sheet on how to create a full body workout using minimal to no equipment that you could do at home as well. And you can find that in the description box below. And all of this equipment are all linked below as well. And I have some discount promo codes and you'll find that all in there as well. And I am gonna see you guys next time. Peace.